So we're really fortunate at Theatr Clwyd to be the biggest producing house in Wales, and all of those skills that we have in-house, whether it's the scenic construction, scenic art, props making, wig, hair and makeup, all of those facilities, as well as the two main theatre auditoria, needed to be improved and enhanced. I was appointed in 2016. And at that point, there had been around about 10 years since a condition survey was done, saying that this building was nearing its end of life. So we were really fortunate at that point to have feasibility funding from Arts Council of Wales. They really encouraged us to think bigger, think about what a modern arts institution and arts centre ought to be for its communities. So I've learnt an awful lot on the job. And I think it's worth saying that any cultural capital projects, we're not capital experts necessarily. And that's okay. It's about kind of building expertise around you, isn't it? So environmental sustainability was important right at the outset. So not only the design of the building and how it operates, but also how it was built. So for example, not 1 ounce of anything went to landfill during the construction, which is quite unusual. The other big challenge was, because it was a 1970s building, it was leaking carbon into the atmosphere. So we had quite a lot to solve there. Timelines always change. And I guess the biggest challenge is how that matches timeline-wise with the programming of live performance.
The whole scheme should have been finished 2019, 2020. Construction took a lot longer, mainly for the asbestos discovery. So it's just being patient and knowing you're going to get there eventually, but these curveballs come in and there's nothing you can do about them. It was always agreed that this would be a phased project and that we would stay open, and absolutely it was the right decision, but it was significantly more challenging than I think any of us could ever expected.
So when I walk in Theatr Clwyd, it's like being like home. It's amazing to see from each floor to see a nice big show from here, and they are amazing shows.
Mae yna gofod perfformio. Mae yna cwpl o gofodau ymarfer, ond hefyd beth sydd yn arbennig i ni yn Theatr Clwyd ydy bod gynnon ni pob beth arall hefyd dan yr un to. Gweithdi setiau, gweithdi creu gwisg. Mae gennym ni tîm llawn amser i weithio ar golau, y sound, fatha pob beth fysa ti'n feddwl am at creu y sioe. Mae gennym ni rhywun sy'n arbenigo yn y sgil yna. Ac erbyn hyn mae gennym ni gofod hefyd sydd wedi ei creu yn arbennig ar gyfer ei gwaith nhw.
The budget always goes up, and that is not a failure. Actually, what I got used to was going, we're going to ask for the money that this project needs. Rather than scaling back the project or going, oh no, the budget has gone up. It wasn't that the budget has gone up, actually. It was that the need was more certain and therefore the cost was more certain on that.
It's just such an exciting time to broaden that welcome and to broaden that wealth of talent and diversity that we can put on our stages and on our communities and across the whole workforce as well. You know, the people that we work with on front desk or behind the scenes and things. I'm really excited to sort of diversify that workplace dynamic and offer a really great welcome to everyone.
Dwi'n meddwl bod cael lle yma efo'r buddsoddiad ynddi i fod yma ar gyfer sawl cenhedlaeth bellach sydd i ddod. Y gobaith ydy bod yna hyder yn ein gallu ni fel Cymru i greu theatr o'r radd flaena a bod fama yma ar gyfer y 50 mlynedd nesaf a thu hwnt gobeithio.
For many of us involved, it's been life-changing professionally, but also I'm pretty sure that what we're hearing back from communities, from artists, from audiences, that this building will change people's lives in other ways, in the way that we kind of hoped, but actually seeing it happen is it's genuinely moving. The kind of wealth of warmth that's coming back by what's been achieved at the building is extraordinary.